Hey everyone, welcome to Learn YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use Laravel UI front-end framework in Laravel using Bootstrap, Vue.js and React.js. Laravel UI is front-end scaffold. Let's get started. Here we have totally fresh Laravel project, Laravel 8.9.0. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Laravel UI. Open Laravel UI GitHub website. Go to installation section and copy this command. Open Laravel project in your VS Code editor and type Composer, require Laravel UI, then hit enter to install Laravel UI. Now Laravel UI installation finish. Let's install Laravel scaffold using Bootstrap, Vue.js and React.js. In this video I am using Bootstrap scaffold with authentication system. Copy this command. If you want to using Vue.js, copy this one, or if you want to use React.js, copy this one. Open your VS Code editor and paste command and hit enter. Scaffold ready. Now compile these assets using command npm install. And npm run dev. Compile finished. Open browser and refresh your Laravel website to view login and register links. Open these links to confirm Bootstrap UI working or not. Now let's migrate database table. Type PHP artisan migrate and hit enter to migrate database. Now open again Laravel project website and register a demo account and login. It's working. Thanks for watching.